What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo and today we are going to take a look inside the portal of AdSterra. So let's dive in. Alright, so I am currently on the homepage of AdSterra, aka AdSterra.com, with that awesome moving A. I love this. But we are going to take a look at the inside of this portal and see what we can do with AdSterra. And I haven't seen the inside either, so it's going to be very exciting. But before we dive in, let me tell you that you can still join the Deberoo Suite beta. That's right, the Deberoo Suite is a brand new platform with all the affiliate marketing tools that you could ever need. So if you want to test it out for free, make sure to grab this chance since it's temporarily and join the Deberoo beta, the Deberoo Suite beta. I'll post a link down below in the description. Just follow the link, sign up, and then I'll see you on the inside of the Deberoo Suite. Now let's take a look at the inside of AdSterra. So what I'm going to do, I already have an account, but if you don't have an account yet, just simply register with pressing registration and register as an advertiser since we are advertisers. But I'm going to sign in as an advertiser since I already have an account. So allow me to simply log in here. There we go. That should be it. Awesome. Logged in successfully. And this is the inside. How to start getting traffic. Your manager will contact you within a day via the messenger you listed while signing up. They will help you launch campaigns with ad formats that aren't available for self-service. Your manager can also tell you what offers and verticals may give the best results. Note that you can already launch and manage campaigns with ad formats available for self-service listed below. To speed up the process, tell us a few words about your campaigns. Very awesome. So they already have a very active way of trying to help their affiliates, which is good. They want you to perform well because, well, if you perform well, they perform well as well, right? That's a lot of wells, but whatever. So they will help you finding the right vertical. They will help you finding the right niche for your campaigns and to make you profitable, which is very awesome. Alright, so let's just dive in and create a campaign. See how it works. Alright. General. Okay, so we need a campaign name, obviously. Let's just call it campaign 1. Connection type. Alright, so 3G, Wi-Fi, or all traffic. I'm going with all traffic. I don't really care what kind of connection my audience has. Then the pricing type, so they have cost per mile, aka cost per 1,000 impressions, CPA, cost per acquisition, or CPC, cost per click. Let's go with CPM. Alright. Ad unit category. Pop under, okay, what do they have? They have pop under, they have web push, native banner, and social bar. Okay, cool. Shall we just go with pop under? Yeah, sure, whatever. This is actually new, okay, dope. Ad that appears behind the main page. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's the pop under. Web push, clickable message that is sent to users subscribed to browser push notifications. Then we have the native banner, ad formats that blends in with its surroundings and look like the content of the site. And the social bar, this ad format looks to the user as interactive message on the publisher's website. So we are going with the pop under. Traffic type, they have mainstream plus adult or all, mainstream or adult. Okay, so you can basically select if you just want adult traffic, if you want all traffic, or exclude adult traffic and get all the other mainstream traffic. We're gonna go with that. Then right here, you want to paste your landing URL. yourlandingurl.com. Awesome. And then the device format. So we can choose between desktop, mobile, and tablet. So let's do desktop for this one. Landing page preview is optional. So let's see, to speed up verification process, upload a screenshot of your final destination URL. Okay, pretty cool. So basically, to get your campaign approved faster, they ask you to send a screenshot of your end destination. So that way they don't have to browse and look for your landing page, but they can just watch your screenshot, which will speed up the process of basically validating your campaign, which is pretty cool to have that option. I don't have a landing page for this campaign since I'm just testing it out, so I'm not going to upload anything, but that's a pretty cool feature. Countries, all right, manual select. I want to manual select, or oh, now it's on bulk input. Okay, so I want to manual select. Select countries from drop down. So let's say we want to run in the United States. US, right here. Okay, it seems like it's loading. The minimum CPM rate is $50 and the recommended CPM rate is $2.35. Please insert price of estimation. Okay, so I am going with the recommended CPM rate, which is $2.35, and I'm gonna add that. Awesome. So right now we have countries US of $2.35. Now let's see if I can add another country if I want to run it in multiple countries. So maybe I want to run it in the UK as well. Right here, Great Britain. And what is the recommended CPM rate in Great Britain? $1.15, cheaper than the US. All right, so we're gonna add that. And now we have two different countries that we're gonna run our campaign in with two different CPMs recommended for that specific country, which is pretty cool. All right, so then right here we have our total budget. Personally, I always like to run my campaigns with an unlimited total budget and run on a daily budget. But if you have like a limited budget and you want to be sure that you just spent an X amount on this specific campaign, you can put here, you can put your total budget right here in US dollars. Time of start. Before start, we send your campaign to verification. Just make sure everything works right. It can take between 3 and 12 hours, which is pretty quick, right? So even in the weekends, I assume it only take a maximum of 12 hours, which is pretty darn quick. So after verification, I want to start, I want to schedule, or I want to keep inactive. Okay, I just want it to start. You can start your campaign right from the step 1 required. Also, you can proceed to the steps 2 to 4 for more settings. So let's see what else we can do. We've got targeting type, operating system, browser, language, day of the week, time range, and carrier. Okay, cool. So I want to target on language, and then I automatically get another drop down with all the languages. So I want to run it in English, include it, add it. Okay, so now it's targeting on language. Let's see if it's got it right. English. Awesome. Oh, now I deselected. Okay, there we go. Cappings and limits. The frequency cappings. How many times do you want a user to see your impression per amount of time, right? So I want my users to get a maximum of 2 impressions within 24 hours. All right. Limits of impressions. What is this? This is basically the same. Let's try it. 1 impression per 1 day. So 2 impressions per 1 day. Is that how it works? I guess so. I think this is the same though, but frequency, cappings, limits of impressions. All right, whatever. And then the budget. I want to have a daily budget. You can also set in an hourly budget, which is pretty cool. And it gives you a little bit more control on how the spend works. Actually, let's do that. So instead of giving a daily budget and then spend it smoothly, you can also choose to put in an hourly budget, making the daily budget spent throughout the 24 hours, right? So if I would have a daily budget of $240 per day, then I can also say I wanted to spend $10 an hour, which comes to $240 a day. So that's what I'm going to do. And then the advanced settings. Add placements to blacklist, whitelist. Okay, so this is where you can enter your blacklist or whitelist if you're using one, or an IP range targeting. And then the custom bid, placements, country codes, price. Okay, I'm gonna skip that for now. And right here we have a preview. So all traffic, CPM, pop under, mainstream, a landing page, desktop, United States and United Kingdom with two different budgets, two different bids. Budget limit is a hourly budget of $10 and start after verification. Advanced settings is browser language on English and the frequency capping 2 impressions per day. Same for limits. And that's gonna be it. It's pretty nice to have such a easy to work with, clear view of your campaign. You can easily target, everything is pretty clear to me. And we also get an expected volume for this campaign, which is 723,380 impressions per day. That's an expected, that's an estimate. So overall, I really like the setup of this. So it's very clear and it's very easy to work with. So good stuff, definitely. So check out AdSterra, sign up if you haven't done so yet, and push your campaign live, and they validate within 12 hours. So pretty good stuff. So yeah, you can really make some progress here and start your first campaign with AdSterra in just a matter of hours, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. Make sure to also check out the Deberoo Suite beta. You can join the Deberoo Suite for free temporarily as long as we're in this beta test. And that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.